Hi guys, and welcome to another episode in our unboxing channel. So for today we have another cell phone, the Realme C2, um, and I believe Realme is it's a Chinese brand, so these are the cheapo cell phones. So we have here the Realme C2. It's 2 gig memory, 32 gig RAM, black, and like I mentioned, these are lower spec, cheaper phones. These are made for um, these are made to be cheap, and I believe this model here with me right now costs around 4,000 pesos. This one I won, or my wife won in a raffle. So before anything, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified whenever we release new videos. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right there, and let's go ahead with the unboxing. Oh, and by the way, this is going to be featured on our product feature line of videos. If you haven't seen any of my product porn videos, yeah, you heard that right. Please check them out and subscribe to the channel. So there's nothing there, just yellow and see-through. And here we have welcome and some documentation, quick start guide, and important information. Okay, let me just walk you through these. Just pause the video if you want to read them. Warranty card, precautions, okay, some required information there. What else is here? No, nothing. Okay, here, quick start guide. I believe it's the same information on every page, it just runs on different languages. Alright, so that's it for that information box, and here is the actual phone. It does come with a factory placed screen protector. It's got this nice textured pattern. Yeah, it's textured. I'm not sure if that shows through the video, but the actual skin is textured. It's manufactured with a lot of those straight lines, and it actually shows off there. I hope you can see that through the video. There is texturing on the actual unit, which makes it really unique. Turning it on for the first time. And while that is going on, let's go ahead and there you go. Show you what else is there on the package. So just an adapter. It comes with 10 watts. It's a 10 watt adapter and USB micro. Okay. As for the phone, USB micro port, not USB-C, USB micro, a headphone jack. These are probably the mic and the speakers. Volume control, SIM card slot, and power button. Nothing else. Nothing else there on the package. So many things to agree with. Okay, so you have some quick apps here. Customizable screen. All the apps are there on the app drawer. Supports widgets. Looks like a very basic camera setup here. Google Chrome. Okay, so there you have it. Realme C2. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and see you on the next video. Bye.